Hello parents, this video is a quick guide to help you receive notifications and check your child's attendance with ease. Please ensure your school app is updated. To update the app, open Play Store and search for the school app as per your school name. Click on the app. You will be able to see the update button. Click on it to update the app. Please confirm that notifications are enabled in your devices. Go to Settings. Go to the Apps section. Then select App Management. Now search for the school app. Click on Manage Notifications. Make sure that Allow Notification is on. To check child's attendance, open the app. You will be able to see the analysis of your child's attendance on the dashboard. To know your child's daily attendance record, click on Attendance icon. Here you will be able to see the data colored green if the child was present and red if the child was absent. Also, you will receive notification as soon as the attendance is marked by the teacher. Kindly note that the attendance will be marked in the school app within 3 hours from the start of the school. If you notice an error in your attendance record, please remain calm and contact the school office for assistance. Similarly, you will also receive a notification when any notice is posted. You can read the notice in the notification column as shown in the image.